Hi everyone and welcome back to another tool journey video. Right, I just got these two items today from Amazon. So we've got the bit extension with a lockable bit here. This is a SHOCKWAVE Impact Duty, 305mm, so the length, and then the number is 4932472068. Shockwave, Impact Duty, magnetic as well as lockable, shock zone. So there we go. Made in PRC. I still haven't found out what that means. So it's a 1/4" drive anyway. So that's that. And then I also picked up these Milwaukee bits. Shockwave again, variety pack. So carabiner, hook it on the side so you don't lose them. But it's got a good, well, it's got the bits. I purposely bought this one because it's got the profile I need for the screws. So yeah, let's get these both open. I'll tell you what, we'll have a look at this one first and then we'll go on to this. So here we are. Got it out at quarter-inch fitting, so it should fit in my impact and my electric screwdriver, and then the other end it's got the lockable bit for the bits that you use. So this is, if you remember from my last video, I had an Amtech which was about this length, 300mm, and it was wobbling, but it sure does show that you pay for quality. I must admit, I've come to a decision where things like this I will pay the money for. Well, this alone on Amazon was £7, just over £7. Can't really argue with that. And the bit set that I bought, this bit set was about the same price. So I think that was £8, just over £8. So you can't go wrong. Paid £16 something for both. So when you pay for quality, you do get quality. Those other two Amtech ones were peanuts, and yeah, you don't get quality. So anyway, so that's what these are. This is so we're just going to have a look at this. So I'm going to get some bits out of my wearer. I'll just get a couple and then see how this works. So, by the way, this is for my home DIY. So there you go. You know what? These wearer bits do fit really well. There's strong magnet. You know, you push it. It's phenomenal. When you pay for quality, you do get quality, I must admit. A bit sticky, but a bit of oil, that should sort it. Not too much, just to make it nice and smooth. But otherwise, you put the bit in and then you push it in. Locks in place. So that ain't coming out. How phenomenal is that? And then all you do is push it forward and take the bit out. That's brilliant, I must admit. You know what? I am so glad I bought this now. I really am. So the next test is actually putting it in my impact. So here's my Makita. Locks in place. You know what? Unbelievable. Is that the actual chuck moving? Hardly any play. Hardly. I'm like, I am so happy with that. Let's get that out. Let's try it on me Titan screwdriver stroke screw drill. So push that forward, pop that in. Well, that's going to be, it's going to be loose because it's not hardly any wobble. I must admit, I am so glad. Keep on saying it, but I truly am happy with that now. So let's see how these work. Right, so got all the bits there. Let's get this out of its packaging. This is how it came off Amazon. Yeah, so we've got Milwaukee SHOCKWAVE piece variety pack. No number or model number or whatever numbers. So that's that. So there we go, Milwaukee. Now these do look nice. Let's get the wearer. Compare it with wearer. Sorry. You know, it's not that far from wearer. That's pretty good. PZ2. That's phenomenal. pH2. So I think you get 2 of these. Or was it 3? No. pH2. So you got 3 of those. 4 of those. And then I'm going to assume you get a PZ2, 4 of them as well. So I'll grab one of these and one of these. Put these back. These are the most common ones that I use anyway. Leave a comment down below, see which ones you use. This is more for me impact into the walls and stuff like that. So that's the wearer. Just out of curiosity. Yeah, there's a bit of that fits even better. I think that's how it's supposed to fit. But you know the way the wearer ones are, so you only got the notches there, so it doesn't fully fit, but it does lock in place. Yeah, but as soon as you put one of these in, that's how it should be. But these really fit well, so I might have to get a selection of those. Let's have a look at the impact. Oh yeah, that fits really well. Makita, welcome Milwaukee. Yeah, that's brilliant. Overall, I'm really happy with what I purchased. You know, it's put a grin on my face. I'm happy. It's you know, I don't get me wrong. You know, there's some places where you need to spend the money, and there's places where you don't really need to. So I'm just going to go and get my box of screws. Right. Let's see what these. So that's for a PZ. Oh yeah, they fit really well. Magnetic. That fits really well. Oh yeah. These, I'll have to get a PZ3. Obviously that don't fit, but see what I mean? The PH2 doesn't fit that well, but when you get the right bit, that's the difference. See, that is for a posi drive, yeah, and that's a Phillips, normal Phillips. If it does that, then you know you ain't got the right bit for the screw. But when you know you got the right bit, there should be no movement. No movement at all. Don't get me wrong, you could still use it. You probably either damage the screw or you'll break one of these. I don't know, but I highly doubt if you break one of these, but these are magnetic. But I thought I'd show you anyway. So these, that is for a Phillips. So we'll get that. There you go, Phillips. Fits perfect. And the posi doesn't. So you know you need your Phillips. And that fits perfect in there. Yeah. Hope that explains posi and Phillips. Selection of screws that I use around the house. So yeah, initial thoughts. Fantastic. Would I buy them again? Yes, I would. Would I suggest these to others? Yes, I would. On that note, we'll end the video on this. I've got a few more things to have a look at. I'm going to get wearer bits. I want to get some of those in as well. Just a selection of different types, but I'll definitely get the smaller ones on Milwaukee Impact. But I am so happy I bought this. I really am. Fantastic. Right. On that note, I'll see you on the next one. But before you go, please do subscribe, like, and share. And I'll see you on the next one. See you.